Talesong 20. Dr. Zhivago. I watch the world turn. Russia aflame, revolution shakes life. Never the same. Letters, love, in secret I write, moments of peace, fleeting and bright. Yuri and Lara, hearts collide, war and politics tear us aside. Family struggles, dreams fall apart. Yet love persists, alive in the heart. Snow falls thick, trains rumble far. Life moves fast like a wandering star. Poems I write, I cling to my soul. History rages, yet I try to hold. Through exile, hunger, chaos, and fear, I find beauty in moments clear. Love and life keep me tethered tight. Even in darkness, I seek the light. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.